Hello everyone. In this video by today, I will guide you how to assign shortcut key in Visual Studio context menu. For Python programming, I installed Visual Studio 2019 Community as well integrated Python library. Therefore, I can create Python program with some code lines and interpret program. But to interpret a Python program, you have to click Project menu to carry out. This makes you a bit consuming time and inconvenient to try and build code. So I will share with you a tip how to make a shortcut key and interpret Python program quickly. To demonstrate, I just said, I click File, select New, select File. In the New File window, I select Python template, select Empty Module, and click OK. In Python program, I type just bring say hello the world. I cannot click a tag to run the program, I try to click Build menu but ineffective. By that way, I click Project menu, select Start with debugging or Start without debugging. Once you click any, it requires you to say program firstly, type hello world.py, Python file. The program is interpreted and show on command window. So simple, right? Or you can type code in Visual Studio command line, print hello world, enter. So simple. Just think that you code, check, and run many times. It consumes you much time. The tip show you how to assign shortcut key, something like Alternate F11, F5, or Control F5. In the menu Start without debugging, you can assign shortcut key for those menus. In the menu tools, click Customize. In Customize dialog, you click Keyboard button. In another option dialog, look at the right side. You find many menus, which are menus with configuration aligning with menus on Visual Studio. You just focus on Python menus. Write this dialog. Click P to find related menus more quickly. There it is. I found it. These two which you can assign now. Click Start with debugging. You press any shortcut key in press shortcut keys, something like F6. Click Assign. Continue with Start without debugging. Combine shortcut keys, Control F6. Cross-check two menus and click OK to close the dialog. Alright, you verify shortcut keys in Project menu. You will see those keys onto menus accordingly. From now on, you code Python-Programmierung, you just click F6 or Ctrl F6. This is effective for F6 and Ctrl F6. It's okay so far. Thank you for watching.